Is Imran Khan the new voice of Kashmir? Kashmir was a globally dead issue in the last 10 or so years. It was mostly associated with Islamist terrorism. Even in Pakistan, successive governments had given up on the Kashmir cause to appease India. What changed? Imran Khan. In his inaugural address, Imran Khan invited PM Modi to resolve the Kashmir crisis once and for all so the two countries could prosper together. PM Modi, who saw Imran Khan's peace overtures as a weakness, however, rejected his repeated calls. The result: PM Modi went ahead with abrogating Article 370 and took away the little freedom that Kashmiris had. This move prompted Imran Khan to stand in support for the Kashmir cause. His efforts have shaken up the global community and served the Kashmir cause in 3 ways. 1. Successfully internationalizing the Kashmir issue that even Bernie Sanders and other notable leaders are speaking about. 2. Delinking the Kashmir struggle from Islamist terrorism and presenting it to the world as a human rights cause. 3. Imran Khan has also exposed BJP and its fascist practices to the global community. Kashmir has never been discussed so vocally at the global stage in the last 50 years. With Imran Khan as its ambassador, many are hoping for peace to prevail perennially.